Hey everyone, I'm Achyut. Along with my teammate Soni, we built RoastMyIdea for CS5610 Web Development at Northeastern. It's a, so RoastMyIdea is a community-driven platform where you pitch a startup idea, the internet roasts or defends it, and after 7 days it gets a verdict, which can be either one of these three: Fireproof, Torched, or Lukewarm. For this final iteration, we built on top of our existing full stack app and made four major categories of improvement. First will be the typography, where we replace the default system fonts with Sora and enter pairing from Google Fonts, applied through CSS custom properties across every web page. Second, a full color palette, um, where we enforce a strict four color system, where every button, badge, and action color is consistent and intentional. Third, accessibility. The app now scores 100 on the Lighthouse, um, with fixes for color contrast, missing from labels, unlabeled drop downs, and semantic HTML structure. And fourth, we ran a moderated usability study with many participants which surfaced two real bugs that we fixed. The roast count badge not updating after posting, and filter reset issue. The study also produced prioritized a list of 10 design issues with recommended changes. So let me walk you through the app and show you all in action. So this page you can see you have search for ideas, filter for categories and status, and sort for newest, most invested, and ending soon. So clicking on any idea opens up the detailed idea page. So on the left you will have the full pitch. On the right, you have this worded countdown stats and the invested widget where you can put your roast coins on the idea that you believe in. So below pitch is the roast and defense section. You can critique an idea with a roast or a counter a specific roast with a defense. Upvotes on rows and defenses influence the final verdict. So let's just log in into that. Just register using a new name. So now we can see the profile page. So the profile page shows you your roast coin balance, activity and stats. For currently it's zero because this account doesn't have any activity in it. Uh, and it also has like title, badges, and your full investment history. So for now moving on to the typography. So for the typography, we replace the default system font with two Google fonts, which is Sora for the header, Sora for all the headings, page titles, card titles, section headers, and the navbar logo. Enter is used for all the body parts. So it's so like text labels, inputs, and buttons. These are loaded in HTML and applied through CSS custom properties, like font dash heading and font dash body. So the pairing is consistent across every page. For the color palette, our color system uses exactly four colors, which is indigo for primary actions, the invest button, the search button, and nav links, and plus the focus links. Uh, then we have the the coral for the roast and destructive actions, the post roast button, the torch button verdict, and the error message. So the teal is for the defenses. So the teal color is for the defenses over here. The defend and the neutral gray is used for everything else, which is like either like actions, timestamps, or the lukewarm badge. Every approval and cancel action is consistent across the whole app. Then we also ran a moderated. Oh, sorry. Before that, we also ran the Lighthouse and the Axe test. The app now scores 100 on accessibility, 100 on best practices and SEO and performance. So specific fixes include like adding aria-labels to all filter drop-downs, adding visible focus rings on every interactive element using the indigo color, fixing color contrast on teal defense stats and the urgent countdown badge, converting the idea list and rows to semantic uh, UL and LI elements, and adding proper labels to all form of inputs. So uh, things related to usability the fix that we did, we so after we ran the moderated usability study using a structured set of questions with four tasks and Likert scale reading after each one. The two bugs that directly came out of those sessions were like the roast the roast number were not updating when someone posted a roast, that we fixed, and we fixed that by incrementing the state immediately after the post response, so you don't have to reload to get the updated num count. And we also produced a prioritized list of 10 design issue with recommended changes, uh, which we documented in the report. So the full report is available on our GitHub README. So if you want to read it, you can read it from there. And that's it for the updates of the Roast My Idea app. And thank you all for watching.